Yeah, what's up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna be swapping this Honda CRX right here. I don't know what wheels to put on it. Gold. I have a choice of gold, black, or gray. I'm gonna show you. Here we go. Let me see. Got the real riders. Black one right here. Let's see, black. We'll see when I get the car apart. We'll see. Of course, gold and red always works. See that? Oh, bam. I'll probably go with the gold because I love gold wheels. Or these gray ones right here. That'll look pretty cool. I think I'm gonna go with the gold. We'll see. These right here. Gold on red always looks awesome. We'll see. Alright, let's get this out and taken apart. Drill it open. Alright. I don't need this box. I'm gonna display this CRX up there too. Look at that. There's the recent one I did, the Godzilla. The Supra. This is my two favorite. Look at that. Bam. The Civic and the Audi. Okay, got it out the box. Oh wait, I got like 5 of these, so I can open this one. Looks nice as it is, eh? We're not feeling those plastic wheels though. Nice CRX. The rear is actually done, detailed. Also, I've got the Honda badge, the CRX. Orange turn signals. Red tail light there. Just the front headlights aren't done. That's a nice CRX though. Sweet, you're getting a wheel swap today, buddy. Alright. Yeah. Shout out to my boy. You know who you are. Yeah, we used to drive around in his forgot what year it was, 90, 89 CRX. You know who you are, bro. This CRX for you, brother. Alright, surgery time for you, CRX. There's the drill. 4mm drill bit. And there's J&J's, my first wheel swap from J&J Hot Wheels right here. Bam, love it. Sick. Love it so much. Awesome. You can stay in the card. I like a lot. Okay, let me fix this lighting. Alright. Okay, here we go. Time to get some new shoes, buddy. Get these plastic suckers off. Okay. You don't want to press the drill like really hard, just slightly like this. If you're impatient, you can press it, but that's a little too fast. Want to go slow and steady. Right there. Nice and slow. Don't want to drill too fast. Not as hard as everyone thinks when you first see it. It's really easy. Once you do your first one, it's like very easy after. It's just cool how that metal comes off. See that? It's like very soft metal. Okay, I see the ring now. can always go the extra step and drill some threads and then install screws. But yeah, there's the ring right there. You guys see the ring? That's when you know you're done. Bam, right there. There you go. Alright. Make sure you keep the shavings on the paper. You don't want to get any of this in your foot or stuck in your hand. Metal sliver would be pretty horrible. What I do, if you want to swap it in the future, don't even glue it. It just snaps back, and if you're not playing with it, it's fine to just display it without glue, right? But if you want it on the track, yeah, JB Weld or Crazy Glue or whatever. You can even Crazy Glue just the sides here, right here. That worked too. But I'm not gonna glue this one because I'm gonna mix and match rims, see what it looks like. Alright, so I had to just drill a little more here. There was a little piece of metal holding it there. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward if you know how to use a drill. It's very easy. And then it just comes off like that. See? Ba-bam. Ba-boom, ba-bam. Man, I was hesitant to do this a month ago. When Frankie gave me the wheels, I was like, oh damn, I gotta try to do this. It's pretty easy. Which one? The Civic, right here. This was the first one. Look at that. Bam. Looks like a damn premium Hot Wheel now, eh? Love it. Yellow on gold. Honestly, this is way nicer than the Super Treasure Hunt. I don't like the gold on the Super Treasure Hunt. I like the real life color yellow. But yeah, that was the first one. Awesome. And then the Supra, the second. Right here. Bam. Love it. It's so awesome. I saw someone else do white wheels. It just goes nice with that decal on the side. Awesome. Cool. Look at that. Side view. This is probably my favorite. A lot. But the tail lights need to be done though. If I knew how to do this custom work, man, I'd do it. To add the circle tail lights. What the hell? Look how ugly that looks. They did the front headlights, but they couldn't do the tail lights. Man, what the heck? Man, Mattel's always cutting corners nowadays. This one is so sick. I love it. It's just so awesome. The Godzilla Skyline. Check it out. Man, this kit on this R32 makes it look like a R34. I don't know if anybody's noticed that. It actually looks like a R34 with this kit on it. This side skirts and front bumper. And the spoiler. The only way you can tell it's an R32 is probably the headlights and the tail lights. The R34s are bigger. It looks like a R34 though. See? Pretty cool. I'll tell you why it looks like a R34. Let me go get the regular R32 over here. Hold on. Alright, here's the R32 I'm talking about. See that? Now that looks like a R32, right? Without the body kit. Everything else is the same except the spoiler, the rear lip, no side skirts, no front bumper. Check it out, see? Look at the difference. This one looks like a R34. Now that looks like a R32. See? Well, boom, this one's way nicer though. Check it out, fellas. Whew. It's a premium Godzilla casting now with these real riders. Sweet. All right, let's get back to the CRX. Back to your display spot, Godzilla. And of course the Audi. I'll show you guys the Audi again. Bam! Look at that. I wanted to do white wheels, but I didn't have another set of white wheels. They're on the Supra. Yeah, but it looks alright. Looks way better than those crappy rims that Mattel put on. Alright, there you go. Sick, I love it. Alright, CRX, let's get you your new shoes on. Put the shavings over there. Man, these things are sharp though. You do not want to step on a piece of this with bare feet. Okay, da-da-da-da-da. There's the body. Okay. Awesome. Some beautiful paint though, man. Look at that. It's very, very beautiful. Okay. So there we go. There's the base right here. I watch a lot of videos where people cut that. There's no need to cut this, okay? Just make this clear to everybody. The channels that tell you to cut this, you don't need to. You just if you have a nail, just go like this. All I do is just bend it backwards, okay? Oh no, take the wheel off. Actually, snap the wheel off first. Yeah. A lot of people take care removing these axles, but just need a screwdriver, pop it off. Well, here, this is what I'm talking about. Don't cut this. There's no need to, okay? Just bend it back. That's it. Don't listen to them channels that tell you to cut that piece off. It's not necessary. There you go. Boom. Take your nail. If you have any nails. If you don't have a nail, just use a flathead screwdriver. Not like this. This is a Phillips, but you know what I'm saying. And just bend it backwards. That's it. You don't need to cut it. Okay, let's see the CRX with gold wheels. And then I'll try all the rest. There you go. It's so easy. Easy peasy. Snaps into place. Boom. See that? Look how easy that was. Look at that. Boom. It could still go down the track the same way. Okay, put this on. I'll give you an idea of how it looks in black, gray, and gold. Alright. Okay, so there you go. Snaps right in place. You don't have to cut that plastic piece off, okay? Don't listen to those channels that tell you to clip that little plastic thing off. It's not necessary. Capiche? Alright. Okay, let's put this bad boy back on the CRX. Easy peasy. Check it out. Bam. You see how easy that was? Look at that, fellas. Oh my goodness, look at that. It went from a regular mainline to a premium just like that, bro. Look at that. Move, screwdriver. Look at this. Bam. Rolls nicely. Reverse. Bam. Oh my god, it looks amazing with these gold wheels. Alright, check it out. Rolls awesome. No warpage, no nothing like them green light cars. Check it out, fellas. Rolls nice and smooth. It's so smooth. Thank you, Frankie, for ordering some premium Real Rider wheels. They're nice and straight and smooth. Rolled nicely. Check it out, fellas. Tell me what you think. You like these wheels? Or the gray or the black? Let's put the gray ones on. All right. Boom, ba bam. Gray. That looks alright, but still like the gold better. Sweet. Check it out. Awesome. Still rolls nice. Smooth. This is a nice CRX. Love it. Sick. I don't know. You guys tell me in the comments what color you guys like. I like the gold. Sweet. Alright, let's try the black one on. Okay, there we go. There's the black. That looks nice. Actually, looks very nice. Reminds me of the Skyline. The Skyline with the hauler. Did they have black wheels? Where did that? It's right here. There it is right here. There we go. Bam. Look at that. Imagine having a CRX on. Yo, honestly, if Mattel made this with this hauler, I think they would sell a lot more, because this Skyline getting played out. Not hating on it, Skyline or anything, but you know, you got to give some other JDM cars some shine, man. Like that. Check that out, guys. There you go. Imagine running into Walmart and seeing that on the damn shelf, man. You'd scoop that up right away. I know I would. Holy man, look at that. Much better. Oh, sick. That is so cool. As soon as I put on the wheels, it reminded me of this a lot. Check it out. Awesome. I like it better because there's no decal on this. Just plain and simple. Clean. Alright, I think I'm going to keep the black ones on. Or I'll go with the gold for display. But this does look really tough, man. Sweet. Might as well show you guys this too I picked up. Check it out. I wish it was in one of those boxes where you can just open and put it back so I can show you guys. Look at this. Awesome. Honestly, those Real Riders, those are ugly, man. Very ugly. There's no shine to them. Nothing. There's no lip that's a shiny lip like J&J's put on here. See how shiny his lip is? Look at that. It's a nice shiny lip, right? Sick. If these wheels are on that Sylvia, that would be sick. But these Real Riders they put on here, look at that. They're just dull and crappy, man. They didn't put it on the truck. It's nice paint though. Nice paint and decal, but those Real Riders are ugly. Sorry to say that. Sick. I picked it up. I just like collecting these JDM haulers. Sweet. Maybe I'll open this pack and do a wheel swap on that. Maybe. Nah, forget it. Waste of time. Alright, back to the star of the show. The CRX. Looks tough in black. Black on red. Look at that. Oh, that looks amazing, man. I love it. It's so nice. Sweet. Alright, well that was a wheel swap show on the CRX. I hope you guys like that. Tell me which ones, which rims you guys like, the gold, gray, or the black. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, everybody. Peace out.